Hey, my YouTubers, welcome back. Tonight is special for me, and I'm celebrating having a little bit of Pinot Grigio because this recipe was the first recipe I put on YouTube 4 years ago. Everybody has a cringeworthy video, and this one was mine, but lovingly, it turned out to be my most popular video, my peppers and eggs, and I will not take it down till this day, even though it's horrible. I love it, and I'm going to give it the respect and love it deserves tonight in a brand new video because it marks 4 years I'm on YouTube cooking, and this recipe got me there and kept me there even when I took a break to do renovation and other content. So here we go. Cheers to 4 years, and let's do Jeanine's peppers and eggs. You need two green, nice sized peppers. Okay. These are a little smaller than the original. That should be fine. I don't want to overheat it. Let me put it a little bit low because we're going to cut these up and get things prepped. It's not a hard recipe. It's not a long recipe. The hardest part is waiting for the peppers to soften. That's what I'm going to show you right now, step by step. Just cut them because it's important to me. I don't know. Me and Vinny, this is Vinny's favorite dish. When we met, and I believe before we even got married, we're both Italian, as everybody knows, and we both grew up on this. Once we discovered we both grew up on it and that he loves it and I love it, it's his favorite. He actually asked for it more than I want to cook it, and he really enjoys it. I do too. It's a great dish. It's satisfying, it's tasty, it's hearty. Oh, I even have, see, it's my new Rachel Ray throwback garbage dish by my cooking. She did have a good tip there. You know, I see a few YouTubers doing it. It's smart because my garbage, if you've seen, I've been changing, trying to get organized to where I want to be and what's the most practical. This kitchen and this spot is best lighted because talking about renovation, this used to be a bar and we had hi-hats above us, so the lighting is like perfect for here. Now here you go, guys. Look at the size. They're a little thinner than my original video, but this is the deal. The thinner you cut them, the faster they will cook. There goes, I always have a blooper, a verbal blooper, and I don't care anymore. I got to be me. So you just cut them all like that. Okay, they were washed. Be careful. Okay. If you like them thicker, sometimes people do. This is a very personal dish. Every Italian family will make them their own way, and you'll see them on the internet. I've seen big guys, little guys, all kind of cooks do this dish. Some people do it with the red pepper, and I refuse. I'm sorry. There's something in the taste combination of the green pepper by itself with an egg. Trust me on it. Trust me. Try both. Try both and come back. You could go to my page and say, Jeanine, you're full of shit. Excuse me. The red has no difference. It does. The red is a sweeter pepper. It doesn't have that, there's a background pepper taste here that just, I guess, flavors the egg in a way I like. I don't know. I don't know. You try. You see. Tell me. I've never done it with a yellow pepper because those are the sweetest, I believe, of all of them, the yellow and the orange. Okay. There you go. See, now it doesn't look like it yields a lot, but look at what we're getting from two peppers here. And that's another thing I want to say. It's a very economical dish. That's why I think it's a Italian peasant food. My mom would make it weekly. Cost a few dollars and you could feed a whole family. Okay, so those are the peppers. Now you need a good olive oil. As I always say, I'll keep preaching. Good olive oil is key here because this is going to cook the peppers. It's going to be a good amount of it going into your eggs, and you want that. I love olive oil. It's good for your skin. It's good for your health. It's good for your heart, your cholesterol. Fabulous. That's why we have our Mediterranean cookbook out here tonight, because the Mediterranean diet is worth taking a peek into. I'm no nutritionist. I'm no dietitian. Just saying. It's a healthy diet if you look into it. Now, let's put these in slowly. I want to make sure they're dry. I did this in the original video too because I said to everybody, you do not want to put water to oil and splatter. You will get burned, as I have in the past. Trust me, many a times. I even got poked in the eye once with oil that shot out of the pan. Very unpleasant. Okay, so dry them the best you can. You got your size, shape. Got two full peppers. Please don't splatter. Wait, let me take a little bit of conservativeness. Okay, see, because I lowered it. Good, good. Now we could go higher. And we will have to break, unfortunately, guys, because I'm going to show you the egg part, and then these have to saute and get soft. We won't season them to toward the end, but this is all you do now. I'm going to put up to medium for me. You have your oil, you have your peppers. Be patient. This is an easy 2-ingredient dish, but it requires your attention and patience. Okay, it's a little forgiving, but you can mess it up. You can undercook the peppers, you can overcook the peppers. It's preference, but there is a basic formula to it. Okay, and I'm going to hopefully show you that tonight. The basic formula will get you to love it and make it and enjoy it. So just sit, chill. We're going to let those start their thing. I'm going to go over here and show you. For this amount, now keep this ratio, and it'll fluctuate for us because Vinny and I share it. 2 peppers, 5 eggs. I broke 1. We're going to break 4 more in, and we're just going to do 5 egg. Oh, here we go. Rachel Ray, thank you. All righty. I got to say, not for nothing. I'm keeping that. Hi, Rachel Ray. Love the, what did she used to call this? I don't even remember. I don't remember. Actually, she's the first person I remember watching on Food Network. I remember her first and foremost of everyone. Okay, here's your 5 eggs. Just beat them up as best you can. They're scrambled eggs. Scramble them well as you can. Do not add any milk to this. Excuse me. Do not add any milk or anything extra. Simply get them as fluffy as you can. Beat them. I'm not going to do as much on camera, robo wrist, but I will off camera. I'm going to beat them extra, as that's what my mom did to get them fluffy, because the fluffier they are, the more they'll spread and cover all of these peppers for us, and we'll get a good amount. Okay, so that's that. We're going to let these get soft. It's going to take a good 20 minutes for them to get where I need them to be, ready for the eggs. So we'll show you when they're ready for the eggs. Okay, we're back, and the peppers are ready. Take a close look, Vinny, so they can see. They're fork tender. They got a little bit of brownness. Look, see? He's wimpy, this little guy. If you like them a little tougher, that's okay. If you like them a little crunchier, you stop sooner. It's a preference on the texture of the peppers. Okay? And same with the olive oil. I'm going to show you only 1 tablespoon because I know a lot of people freak out. They say, oh my God, that's a lot of oil. You're going to put eggs into that? Yeah. But if you want, you just do what we did the other night, the other recipe. You reduce as much as you like, okay? The olive oil is the flavor for us, okay? And it helps cook. So we leave it all. But I took some out to show you, so no worries. And now we have our beaten up 5 eggs. I did this off camera, get them as fluffy as I can. Okay. See? I know it looks like a lot of oil, but trust me. Trust me, I've been making this dish many years. And if you notice, I don't have any glasses on tonight because I know it blind. No, seriously, forgive me for saying that as if it's funny, but I know it would, you could blindfold me and I could do this recipe. It's that familiar to us in our household. We love it. And it's something I'm happy to share with you guys. I hope you like it. I hope you make it and see the delicious beauty of it. And I get super excited. And my mind's going faster than my voice. The nice thing is that Vinny's going to have it tonight for dinner. This is my go-to when I don't feel like cooking. I could always seduce him with this. He'll pass up a steak. I'll say, Vin, I don't feel like cooking. You feel like peppers and eggs tonight? Yeah. I've never gotten a no. So this is a great dinner go-to, simple. You can have it for breakfast. You can have it for lunch. This is an all-day, anytime super meal. And it's nutritious and it's economical. But I do think I didn't do all the research, and I don't want to get into that stuff because that's not what I'm about here at Jeanine's Kitchen. But I believe it's traditionally an Italian peasant dish because I know my parents, my dad's from Naples, and my grandmother made this. My mom made this. My aunts all made this. Everybody Italian knows this. It lost a little popularity for a while. It used to be in every pizzeria and deli. I don't see it that much. When I go back to New York, I'm going to look for it. So now you let it sit a minute for them to settle, and then you just start moving, getting the underparts done, like I showed in my original. And if you're interested at all, go back and see my original recipe because not much has changed. The eggs are the same, I'm the same, my cooking's the same. I just got a little bit of lighting and my hubby to camera me from the front, and I'm in full frame. But everything else about me and my channel is the same. It's about easy food, family, fun, easy dishes, love and joy, and all of that good stuff. See? There you go. Just get it all cooked. Again, the eggs, if you like them really, really well like me, I don't like any wet spots. I think I said it in the original recipe. And this one, I don't like any runny eggs, so I do this. I kind of scope my eggs. I look, all right, that's ready. And you want to do it in a gentle manner that the egg envelops the pepper, see? That's important. But at the end of the day, like I said in the original recipe and video, it all pans out. Look at that. You turn it over. They're all hugging each other. It all pans out. It's no worries. It always tastes good. It never tastes greasy. We serve it on everything from, let me get the bread ready and prep because this girl's ready to go almost. We're going to give her another minute on here. Actually, I'm going to lower the heat down a bit. Okay, let me use, I think that'll serve with it well. Okay, like I said, we use everything from a baguette to a hoagie to whatever roll you want. Vinny don't like the guts in. It's another preference. I have to do this. I had to do it in the original, which I thought was hilarious on camera. But we keep it real, and we give you every tip to enjoy a dish I'm making the way we eat it. You may say, hey, yeah, I don't want all that dough. We don't waste it. We give some to Millie. We make some do with it. We don't throw it out. Let me get his dish. I won't be tasting this tonight because there's nothing to taste. Vinny gets a dish because he loves the spillage with this. Let me get a spoon. Oh God, I love this dish. I can't believe I'm making it again on YouTube after all these years. So funny. That's funny. Funny and good. I love my YouTube and I love all my subscribers. Thank you guys. You don't know what you mean to me. A simple little housewife cooking and somebody other than my hubby to watch and appreciate. Okay, I think that's enough, Vin. You can have what's left in the pan if you so choose. I'll give you a little bit more peppers on the edge here. Give you a little bit more peppers. And you can put a little bit of salt and pepper. You want a little bit? Okay. Okay, now here's what Vinny asked for in the original video, and I didn't do it then and I won't do it now. Vinny likes chalupa on it. I'm tightening it so you don't get too much. Do you see, people? This is real time. The cameraman's instructing me because this is his dinner tonight. All right, gotcha. And there's the dish, my lovely YouTubers. Peppers and eggs, Jeanine's Kitchen, my 4-year anniversary. I hope you watch my original video. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you try the dish and like it.